This video has an English voiceover. Hello dear viewers of my channel. Today I will show you a very useful video for BMW E90. Today we are going to change the cabin air filter and the engine air filter. BMW E90 with benzene engine. Let's start. Let's start with what you need for opening the main elements to change the filters of your BMW. Here you see what you need. Star number 25. Let's start with the engine air filter. To open this box we need to unscrew these two screws and after that to take out this connection right here. See how this happens. On top of that you should remove this bracelet over here. The rubber element over there should fall within that hole when you put that back in its place. Now let's open the box. There are several screws that you need to unscrew here. Not take the screws totally off, you can just unscrew them, and after you open the box you see very easily how to pull it off. That's how the old engine air filter looks like. Let's replace it with a new one and you will see the difference. Although the expectations for this car using an oil 5W30 that should be replaced every 15,000 kilometers, it's very good to replace the engine oil filter more often, about 10,000 kilometers. This is the engine air filter we are going to use. That's the brand new one. You can see the visual difference. Once again,